It has been deeply interesting to explore things that I wouldn't otherwise even have thought about.
Wel, da ni'n craffu gwaith y byrddau a'r pwyllgorau. Ac mae'r ymddiriedolwyr yn cyfarfod i'w 5 gwaith y flwyddyn.
Yeah, so I didn't have any experience. I was a member of another board, but I hadn't needed to necessarily take responsibilities in that. And
O'n i ddim yn gwybod rhyw lawer am y rôl o fod yn ymddiriedolwr.
Erbyn hyn, dwi wedi ymddeol. Mae lot o amser i yn mynd fel diacon yn y tabernacl yn Nghaerdydd, a hefyd wrth gwrs fel ymddiriedolwr ac yn i'w fan bethau eraill.
Wedi cael croeso arbennig.
They're really good. They're easy to get on with. They take their time to help you.
Pobl hefo sgiliau gwahanol, profiadau gwahanol, gweinidogion a lleigwyr, menywod a dynion, ieuanc a rhywfaint hŷn felly.
Grŵp o bobl o wahanol gefndiroedd.
I've really valued working with Baptist Christians from all over Wales.
Ar ben hynny, mi oeddan ni'n Gymru Cymraeg ac mi oeddan ni'n Gymru di-Gymraeg rownd y bwrdd. A ddoes i adnabod yr ochr di-Gymraeg lot gwell.
The lovely thing is, because of the dynamic, if you don't understand what someone said or what they're getting at, you just put your hand up and say, excuse me, can you just explain that a little bit, so that you can have a real idea of what you're deciding and what you're voting on.
So I wasn't embedded in the structures or the committees. And I think what that has done is it's enabled me to come at this with fresh eyes. I probably asked more questions than people were used to.
Maes adnoddau dynol. Dyna oedd yn proffesiwn i.
Wel, fi'n credu taw'r sgil fwyaf pwysig ar gyfer rôl fel hon oedd bod yn aelod o gapel, a gapel y byddwyr.
Yeah, massively, I think.
Those things have gone on to have use for me outside the board.
It's so helpful because you get to understand this is what charity law is about. It's made me a better leader because I've just got a bigger understanding and a greater grasp of things.
Mae y fraint ysgrifennu, felly bod yn rhan o weithgareddau ar lefel cenedlaethol i'n byddwch Cymru.
Stretching and enjoyable.
Dwi'n teimlo ym mhob cyfarfod rwy'n dysgu rhywbeth newydd.
If nothing else, by being on it, you're going to create a whole new world of contacts and friendships and relationships that when you see these people in other contexts, it's just really nice to be able to be brothers and sisters in the Lord in that way.
Angen dau ymddiriedolwr newydd.
Bydden ni'n dweud ewch amdani, achos ambell waith mae yn bwysig ac mae'n gwneud daioni I wythio eich hun I wneud rhywbeth na fyddech chi gwella wedi ystyried.
I would say get in touch, have a chat with either someone that's done the role or someone you know that is close to it or perhaps doing the role, and just have an open and honest conversation with them.
It's not really a role that we would necessarily see as part of Christian service. We often overlook administration, but it is a calling, I think. So it has been part of my worship, part of my service of the union, but above that to serve God through it.